Hi guys, and welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox this Ichiban Kuji Layerscape Price B Nezuko Kamado. So as you can see here, the box from the side, you can see the design from her backdrop, the back of the box, which contains the details, and the front, also the top, which shows the shape of the backdrop of Nezuko. So let's open it. And here it is, the figure with clamshell to protect from scratches. By the way guys, this is my first Nezuko figure that I'm going to collect from Demon Slayer. So here it is, covered in plastic, is Nezuko-chan. So as you can see, her pretty look. The details of the hair is amazing. Her pose is cute as well. Next, let's take a look of her backdrop. As you can see, a color pinkish and some green part below part, and some flowery details. And I think the shape of this is like a flowery one. And in this bag, we are going to put Nezuko here so that it will look like she's sitting there. And there you have it. Also, you can see the markings below. So that's it. Let's take a round view for Nezuko-chan. So that is it guys for this vlog, and again, thank you so much for watching this Nezuko-chan Layerscape Ichiban Kuji unboxing. For the next vlog, we are going to unbox Giyu Last Prize, so better watch out. So that's it, and see you on the next video.